Introduction to Structured Query Language, SQL. Welcome to the world of Structured Query Language, SQL. SQL is a standard language for managing relational databases. It is used to interact with databases in order to store, manipulate, and retrieve data. SQL is a powerful tool that allows users to perform a variety of tasks such as creating databases, designing tables, querying data, and managing permissions. In this introduction, we will cover the basics of SQL, including its history, syntax, and common commands. We will also discuss the different types of databases and the role of SQL in database management. A brief history of SQL. SQL was first developed in the early 1970s by IBM researchers Donald Chamberlain and Raymond Boyce. It was initially called SQL, Structured English Query Language, but was later changed to SQL due to trademark issues. The first commercial relational database management system, RDBMS, to use SQL was Oracle, which was released in 1979. Over the years, SQL has evolved to become the standard language for managing relational databases. It is now supported by most modern RDBMSs, including Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, mysql, and PostgreSQL. SQL syntax. SQL is a declarative language, which means that users specify what they want to do with the data rather than how to do it. SQL statements are made up of keywords, clauses, and expressions. Keywords are reserved words that have a specific meaning in SQL. Examples of SQL keywords include select, insert, update, delete, and create. Clauses are statements that provide additional instructions to the SQL statement. Examples of SQL clauses include where, group by, order by, and having. Expressions are used to perform calculations or comparisons on data. Examples of SQL expressions include arithmetic operators, plus, asterisk, comparison operators, equals, less than, greater than, smiley face, and logical operators, and, or, not. SQL commands. There are several SQL commands that are used to manage databases. Some of the most common commands include: create database, creates a new database; create table, creates a new table in a database; select, retrieves data from a database; insert, inserts data into a table; update, updates data in a table; delete, deletes data from a table; drop table, deletes a table from a database; grant, grants permissions to a user or group; revoke, revokes permissions from a user or group. Types of databases. There are two main types of databases: relational and non-relational. Relational databases store data in tables that are related to each other through common fields. The relationship between tables is established by creating foreign key constraints. Examples of relational databases include Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and mysql. Non-relational databases, also known as NoSQL databases, store data in a variety of different ways such as document, key value, and graph formats. Examples of non-relational databases include MongoDB, Cassandra, and Neo4j. Role of SQL in database management. SQL is an essential tool for managing databases. It allows users to create, modify, and retrieve data in a simple and efficient manner. SQL is also used to create and manage database objects such as tables, views, and stored procedures. In addition to its role in database management, SQL is also used for business intelligence and data analysis. It can be used to create reports, perform data mining, and generate statistics. Conclusion. SQL is a powerful tool that is used to manage relational databases. It is a declarative language that allows users to specify what they want to do with the data rather than how to do it. SQL commands are used to create, modify, and retrieve data in a database. There are two main types of databases: relational and non-relational. Thank you for watching.